video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your first Xcode project and get it running on the simulator. So to do the very first thing, you can start your project by either hitting Command-Shift-N or just coming up to File, New, and then doing Project. Make sure don't do File or else you're going to have some issues. So do Project and click on Single View Application. Hit Next, and I'm going to call this one Hey World because Hello World has just been done too many times. So we're going to do Hey World. Company identifier, this is going to be something that identifies you uniquely. So a good thing to do is just type in something like com dot then your name. It's really not an issue for this one because we're not deploying this to the App Store. We'll get into that later. Then the next thing, the class prefix, you could leave this completely blank and you wouldn't have any issues for this one. A lot of people say it's the best practice to do something like putting your initials there, and all this does is it puts these initials in front of all of the classes that you create in this project. So what you'll do is just make sure you don't have any kind of namespace issues. So that's the reason why I do it. Then hit Next. Just hit Create, and this you can create a Git repository. We're actually in one of the next videos we're going to show how to save that up to GitHub so that you can share your code with others and that kind of thing. So you can hit Create. And here's your project. We'll go into some more of the Xcode features in another video. For this one, we're just going to really focus more on just testing this out in the simulator. So to do that, just click on Main Storyboard right here. You might have to double click on it. There you go. And so that's come up, and now all we got to do is come down to the bottom right hand side, and you can come in the search function here and just click label, click and drag it, and double click it and say Hey World, if you can spell it correctly. There you go. Do Hey World, hit save, and you can see right here by default it's gonna run in the iPhone Retina 3.5 inch. For this video it really doesn't matter. So just click the play button. That's going to compile it and put it on the simulator for us to see. So that ran, and here the simulator is, and it'll pop it up, and we'll see if this works. And if you haven't done this lately, you will have to type your password in. And there you go. You got your first app live. It doesn't do very much. That's what the rest of the videos are going to be about. So, but it is good just and fun just to see the way that works. So you created a new project and you saw how to enter some text onto the storyboard, and now you have learned how to run it in the simulator. So good job. Please let me know if you have any questions with that whatsoever, and I'll see you in the next video.